You can't blow your nose in this Don't mind if I use your head for a tripod, do you?
Oh, you guys so bright. You guys look over there.
Alright.
How you guys doing out there? You guys okay? Sure.
Hi, Robert.
I see different colors out there.
I always know it's you. I always know it's you.
Did it on a big island. We had good fun though, we went. One thing I learned about ladies at this age, they like shopping. And it was on my van when we go shopping. Go here, brother, go over here, go over there.
No problem.
Mohala mai kapua I ka la Ola no kaina I ka ua E kukua ki ele na nie Ko ala o nauna e mapune E pua o heno ai una Hiva na kuwai E kua ki ele na nie E na nilua ole alohi E maa e ane kamakani Honua Mohala mai kapua I ka la Ola no kaina I ka ua E kukua ki ele na nie Ko ala o nauna e mapune E pua o heno e iluna Hiva na kapuwai E kukua ki ele na nie E na nilua ole alohine E maa e E e kui ko te lino i
Family to say aloha and I hope you folks have a beautiful day. On behalf of the Kahula people, I'm Moana Sula Halau. We'd like to say mahalo and aloha to all of you.